Janvi.
Hello.
A little bit.
Yeah, we are so excited.
Yay! Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel 101 Food Page. मैं हूँ नीलम और यहाँ हम पोस्ट करते हैं about food and travel. And हम आ चुके हैं Spice and Umami, एक cloud kitchen है located in Andheri. This spot was started by two best friends who have a passion for food and even professional degrees to back it up. We are going to try something super trending and unique जैसे rice paper noodle roll, croissant, potato balls, some Mexican salad bowl and बहुत कुछ. And dessert में tiramisu and brownies भी है, तो stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Janvi and I've done my degree in bachelor's in accounting and finance. So that's my background. And here I am, not behaving or acting like a chef, but I am a chef. I have a complete diploma in culinary arts. So how I began is when lockdown had, that time I was cooking for my family, and my family is a big foodie. They demanded so much food all the time. So I was cooking at least 5 meals a day. And like morning भी ऐसा होता था कि पापा is watching a video on YouTube and he's like कि जानवी ये बना दे, तो I was like कि ठीक है बना देते. And that's how I developed my love for cooking, and that's how I realized that I enjoy people enjoying my food. So yeah, then I was looking for courses in online कि क्या कर सकती हूँ ये वो. Then I came up to APCA. So then after lockdown was over, I went there, I inquired, and then I began my journey. And I did my 9 months ka diploma there, and here I am. We have opened a cloud kitchen together. Really wanted to show that gourmet vegetarian food can also be very tasty. It's not just
shining
you
out,
don't
it's
need
gourmet
meat
vegetarian
in
food.
everything. Like you can eat vegetarian but nice, tasty, yummy food.
We serve completely vegetarian. Hi, I'm Sejal. I don't have any culinary background as such, but I'm really passionate about food. So I did my degree in commerce, and during that, post that I did a job in graphic designing. So I used to do graphic designing on and off, and I used to do freelancing. So I did a internship at Food Hall Cookery Studio, and there's where I developed a love for cooking. Started with content creation on Instagram as Hungry Sage, and I used to create recipes and post videos online. We got together and we started Spice and
Yeah.
Umami. So it's like our baby, and we together began Spice and Umami.
So there's a lot of food and I'm very, very excited to try all of that. So here we have Bernie potatoes with basil cream cheese dip. Okay, the dip is very thick. Oh my god, look at this. So nice. Now let's have a bite. I am very excited. ये जो outer covering is coated with almonds. Okay, now let's have a bite. Oh my god, I'm 100% sure आपने ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं खाया होगा. इट इज मैश पोटैटोज. इसमें इन्फ्यूज किया गया है ट्रफल ऑयल, एंड जो ट्रफल ऑयल का टेस्ट है ना, काफी बहुत ही बढ़िया आ रहा है. जब आप सेंटर में बाइट करते हो ना, आपको ट्रफल ऑयल का टेस्ट आएगा. ये कोटेड है विद आलमंड फ्लेक्स एंड इट इज सो टेस्टी. इसको अगर आप गर्मा गर्म खाओगे विद दिस बेसिल क्रीम चीज डिप, you will love it. You're gonna absolutely love this, and I would highly recommend you all to try this. So next we have the ramen noodle roll, and उसके साथ उन्होंने सर्व किया है some chili oil. ये बनाया है in house, so everything here is made with scratch and in house. So let's try it. Basically I'll tell you what exactly ramen roll is. ये जो आपको बीच में दिख रहा है, ये ramen है, okay? And इसको wrap किया गया है with rice paper roll and cheese का slice है यहाँ पे, and इसको सर्व किया गया है with chili oil. Now let's dip this in the chili oil and have a bite. Chili oil looks bomb. The flavors are literally exploding. This is really good. If you like something spicy, then this is definitely for you. When it comes to healthy eating, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सब काफी हेल्दी होता है. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Let me know in the comment section below आपको क्या लगता है. अब सब की बात आ ही गई है, तो let's try their chef special sub. इसमें होता है फ्रेशली मैरिनेटेड पनीर विद लॉट्स ऑफ वेजीज, एंड उनके साथ उन्होंने सर्व किया है फ्री पोटैटो चिप्स. अब फ्री की चीजें किसको नहीं पसंद. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि इसका जो बन है, इट इज मेड इन हाउस. क्वांटिटी इज वेरी नाइस, काफी जेनरस है पोर्शन साइज भी. वाओ, the sub itself is very fresh, especially the bread. It's very soft. बाहर से soft है, अंदर से you can feel that freshness of the veggies. पनीर है, their in-house secret sauce, which is the best part, and served with the chips. It is tasting much better. Now we have the Korean garlic cream cheese croissant. ये combination मैंने पहले कभी नहीं सुना और मैंने कभी पहले try भी नहीं किया है. I absolutely love croissant. I love cream cheese on its own, but not together. I've never tried it before, so I'm quite excited to try this one. And आपको दिख रहा होगा कि यहाँ पर भी उन्होंने almond के flakes यहाँ पर है. This is so good, and this is so much better than the Korean buns I've had. This is an upgraded version of the Korean buns जो मैंने try किया है. I had no clue कि bun से ज़्यादा ये croissant में इतना ज़्यादा taste कर रहा है. The croissant is on its own, it's flaky, it's crispy. The cream cheese थोड़ा soft है and garlic का थोड़ा सा पीछे से हिंट आ रहा है एंड आलमंड फ्लेक्स जो है उसका अच्छा क्रंच भी आ रहा है. So it's a whole package. Now we have the Mediterranean grilled cheese. I absolutely love and I'm a big fan of grilled cheese. इस सैंडविच में है 3 different types of cheese, spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, and it's super cheesy. The ingredients are so fresh. The sandwich warm, comforting, and it has 3 different kind of cheese. You see, you cannot go wrong with cheese. Here we have the Mexican bowl. They have rice, some sorted veggies, beans, buttered corn, tortilla chips, and the salsa. Want to have something different लेकिन healthy भी आपको खाना है, then I guess this is perfect. They've also topped it up with some sour cream, and also they have given us the chipotle pour over. Very nice. खाना तो बहुत कुछ खा लिया है, अब है डिजर्ट की बारी. एंड फॉर डिजर्ट यहाँ पर है वेरी क्यूट छोटे से मिनी ब्राउनी बाइट. स्मेल्स सो नाइस. Exactly what I want after a tiring day. This is warm, this is gooey, brownies are decadent. Wow, it also has chocolate chips in the center, just so good. अब है मेरे पास 2 टाइप के कूलर, एक है रोजमेरी थाइम लेमनेड एंड एक है द हिबिस्कस कूलर. डेफिनेटली रिफ्रेशिंग. अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो यहाँ पर ना सब्जा डाला हुआ है उन्होंने. बहुत ही माइल्ड टेस्ट है ये बिस्किट्स का और सब्जा है. दिस इज गुड. जिसने भी कहा है कि देयर इज ऑलवेज रूम फॉर डिजर्ट, सही कहा है, बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ खाने के बाद भी आई स्टिल हैव सम रूम फॉर डिजर्ट. इसीलिए हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं तिरामिसू. तो यहाँ पे डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लेयर्स दिख रहे हैं. ये है वैनिला केक जिसको सोक किया गया है इन कॉफी, एंड ये वाइट जो है दिस इज द लेयर. ओके, ये मैस्कापोनी क्रीम है. लास्टली इसको टॉप किया गया है विद सम कोको पाउडर एंड इसको बेस्ट एंजॉय करते हैं डायरेक्टली फ्रिज से निकालो एंड खा लो. मैसिव बाइट. शैल वी? This tiramisu right here is so good that you would definitely want to order it again and again and again. This is really good. मैंने सब कुछ try किया, उसमें ये सबसे ज़्यादा tasty and best. Thank you so much guys for inviting me today at your cloud kitchen. Okay, everything we tried was amazing, truly inspiring. You know how you have combined your passion and your profession. You all the best.
What was your favorite?
Oh my god, it's very tough to pick one. I loved everything, but as you said, I absolutely loved the tiramisu and the cream cheese garlic croissant. That was my favorite. I'm a huge fan of croissant.
Really?
Oh my.
Thank you.
Thank you.